Let's do 10 Swedish words being sick.
Hi, my name is not Sven, it is Martin, ja.
So hello, yes, I am sick, and what better time to do a video like this than when I'm sick. I am having influenza right now, which is like the worst version of just being förkyld. It's the symptoms are, I have ont i halsen, which means I hostar a lot, which hurts. I am snorig, so much snor i min näsa, and I nyser constantly, which means I have to snyta mig constantly as well. And on top of that, I have Fable, and the worst part of that, which is sort of what I'm feeling right now, is when you have feberfrossa, when your whole body just shakes and and at the same time looking out the window, it's cold. It is so cold, but it's cold in here as well. So I'm just longing for maybe a week from now or something, when I'm all well again and I can feel like, even if I'm having a boring day, at least I'm not sick. So yeah, take care, be well, and I'll see you the next time you click on one of my videos, and hopefully I will look better then, feel better. Which means I have to snooze